Hey there, it's Justin from the Book Like a Boss team, and in this video, I'm going to quickly show you how you can actually customize the emails that are getting sent out to your customers, like appointment confirmation, reminders, and follow-up emails. So there's two ways that this works. You can set this at the global level, or you can set this at a per package or per appointment or per service basis. What that means is if you're setting something at a global level, that text that you set for that confirmation email, that follow-up, whatever it is going to apply to all of your appointments and all of your services across your entire account. So I'll show you how to do that first. Then if you don't want to actually customize it on a per appointment basis, I'll show you how to do that so you can just apply the same email and settings across your whole account for all of your appointments. So for setting it at the global level, just go here to Settings from the top menu, then select Customization. Here on the left sidebar menu, select Email Messages. This is where you can essentially modify everything that has to do with your email notifications, and again, it's at the global level. You can customize here your confirmation email messages, rescheduling messages, reminder email messages, cancellation, pending, and offline email messages. All of those can be changed here. And every change will also be automatically applied and saved. Now, if you want to do this on an individual basis, go to Booking Pages on the top menu, and as an example, let's go to Appointments. So let's edit this appointment as an example. On the left sidebar menu, click on Customization, then on Email Messages. So this is where you're going to actually edit these reminders that are going to be going out. Here you can see all these email messages that you can customize. Say you want a different email message for this appointment, just uncheck the global checkbox, then you can edit the message that you want shown in the email that gets sent out. Same thing for any product or service, just edit them, go to Customization on the left sidebar menu, then click on Email Messages, and you can customize every single one of them if you want. And of course, all of your changes are automatically saved. I hope this helps.